Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will explain you chapter number 9 part 1. So let's start. So firstly, soil. Soil is the topmost layer of the earth that supports life. Soil अर्थ की सबसे ऊपर वाली लेयर है. It is a mixture of organic material, clay and rock particles. It also contains air and water. It forms one of the most important natural sources on the earth. It is important or essential for the food production, fodder, cultivation and mining of minerals and fuel. Fodder means food given to farm animals and mining means the process of getting minerals from the soil by digging, खोदने से. Now formation of soil. Soil is formed from the rocks by a process called withering. Soil rock से बनती है एक प्रोसेस के द्वारा जिसका नाम है withering. Withering is a process of breaking down of rock. Withering एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है breaking down of rocks is known as withering process or other materials into smaller particles due to long exposure to different factors of atmosphere. These solid rocks were broken down by withering agents. ये जो solid rocks होती हैं ये broken down एक withering agents के साथ होते हैं like wind, water and temperature. These rock particles are also taken away by wind, water and moving glaciers. Now, withering process. Alternate heating and cooling due to the heat of the sun and wind causes rock to crack. Alternate means पहले heating होगी फिर cooling, heating, cooling. These cracks get filled with water. ये cracks water के साथ fill हो जाते हैं. The water in the cracks freezes due to severe cold in winters. Winters में बहुत ठंड होती है ना इसलिए वो जो water cracks में होता है वो ठंडा हो जाता है freeze हो जाता है बहुत ज़्यादा freeze हो जाता है भी बर्फ बन जाती है उसकी. As water expands when frozen, the ice breaks the rocks into smaller pieces by sheer pressure. Roots of trees and other plants as they grow in size also help to protect the rocks. Day and night variations and action of wind and flowing water add to the withering. Withering is a slow and continuous process. Withering एक बहुत slow और continuous process है. Eventually the rocks are converted into soil. और फिर रॉक्स सॉइल में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं विच मिक्सेस विद द डेड प्लांट्स. जो डेड प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स में से मिक्स हो जाते हैं to form humus. Now what is humus? Humus is a substance made from dead leaves and dead leaves plants that you put into the ground to help to grow plants. The process of withering takes millions of years for the formation of soil. इसमें millions of years लग जाते हैं soil की formation में. Now composition of soil. Since the soil is formed by withering of rocks, composition means the parts from which that form something. It contains various minerals such as nitrates, sulfates and phosphates present in the parent rock. What is parent rock? Parent rock, the original rock from which younger rock and soil is formed. It also contains humus, which is formed by the decomposition of dead organic matter derived mainly from fallen leaves or other plant and animal matter. Decomposition मतलब कि जो dead organic matter होता है उसको smaller pieces में convert करना. Presence of humus makes the soil fertile as it has the ability to hold water for plants to grow. Ability की उसके पास skill है ये, उसके पास ability है ये. Skill एक तरह की skill है ताकि वो water को hold कर सके for the plants to grow, plants की growth के लिए. Soil is generally dark brown in color. Soil dark brown ही होती है color में. Soil also has some microbes. Microbes means microorganisms like bacteria that causing disease, जो बीमारियां फैलाते हैं. Microbes Small insects, water and air. Microbes help in breaking down dead matter and convert it into humus. वो पता है कैसे हेल्प करते हैं? जो माइक्रोब्स हेल्प इन ब्रेकिंग डाउन जो डेड मैटर होता है प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स का, उनको छोटे छोटे पीसेस में कन्वर्ट करते हैं एंड कन्वर्ट इट इनटू ह्यूमस, और उनको जो जो डेड मैटर होता है उनको ब्रेक डाउन कर देते हैं और उसको कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं ह्यूमस में. Water is very essential for all the life sustaining activities, and air is needed for the respiration of plants through their roots. Respiration, we know that it means सांस लेना और सांस छोड़ना. That means the respiration. Now activity 1. So let us perform an activity to observe the composition of soil. You will need water, soil and a jar. Take a jar and fill it with water. एक जार लो, उसमें पानी डाल दो. नाउ पुट सम सॉइल, उसमें थोड़ी सी सॉइल डाल दो. कलेक्टेड फ्रॉम अ गार्डन, गार्डन से ली हुई. इन इट स्टेट द कॉन्टेक्ट. स्टेट मीन्स घुमाना अराउंड एंड अराउंड स्पून से. एंड लीव इट असाइड फॉर सम टाइम, थोड़े से टाइम के लिए उसे साइड पर छोड़ दो. व्हेन द पार्टिकल्स सेटल डाउन, जब पार्टिकल्स नीचे सेटल डाउन हो जाएंगे, the different layers showing the various components of the soil are formed. The bottom layer is made up of heavy particles of gravel. The layer above it consists of sand particles. Sand के particles से. Above that, a layer of silt is distinctly seen. और उससे above वाली layer होगी silt. Followed by a layer of turbid water. The topmost layer is of lighter particles of humus. जो सबसे ऊपर वाली layer होगी वो लाइटर मीन्स हल्के पार्टिकल्स होंगे, वो हल्के पार्टिकल्स की होगी ह्यूमस के. नाउ सॉइल प्रोफाइल. Vertical section of soil from ground surface to the parent rock is called soil profile, and the different layers of soil are called horizons, like O horizon, A horizon, E horizon, B horizon, C horizon, and bedrock. So let's first study about O horizon. The O horizon mainly contains dead organic matter. इसमें ज्यादातर dead organic matter ही होता है. Which later decomposes to form humus. जो later decompose हो जाता है means भी breaking down smaller particles में break down हो जाता है ताकि वो humus बन जाए. With the help of microbes also. It is about 1 inch thick. वो सिर्फ 1 inch thick होता है. Like this is the O horizon. See. Now A horizon. The A horizon forms the top soil. This layer consists of humus and minerals and is dark in color. ये dark color होती है. This layer is very important for healthy growth of plants as it is soft. ये soft होती है इसलिए ये very important है plants की healthy growth के लिए. Holds and holds a lot of water. इसमें बहुत water hold हो जाता है. It also provides shelter to many decomposers. बहुत से decomposers जैसे कि microbes को shelter देता है and such as microbes and worms. Now, E horizon. This is the intersection layer between the A horizon and B horizon. This layer contains sand and silt particles. इसमें sand और silt particles होते हैं. Now B horizon. The B horizon forms the subsoil. सबसॉइल को हम हिंदी में भी कहते हैं भूमि के नीचे की मिट्टी. It is lighter in color as it does not have much humus. इसमें ज्यादा ह्यूमस नहीं होता इसलिए उसका कलर भी लाइट होता है. The subsoil is rich in minerals due to the deposits of minerals released from percolating water. इसका मतलब कि जो सबसॉइल है वो रिच इन मिनरल्स क्योंकि deposits of minerals कैसे रिलीज होते हैं percolating water. Now what is percolating? A filter gradually through a porous surface or substance. जहाँ से वाटर पास हो जाए। पोरस मीन्स अ रॉक हैविंग स्मॉल स्पेस थ्रू विच वाटर और गैस एनीथिंग कैन पास। कि स्मॉल सी स्पेस जहाँ से कुछ भी पास हो जाता है वहां से फिल्टर हो जाते हैं मिनरल्स। percolating water with the percolating water, okay. Plants roots generally grow till this layer। जो plants की roots होती है वो इस layer तक ही होती है। See, this is the layer, it is here, here, only till here the plant roots can grow. Now see horizon. Below the B horizon is the parent rock layer. This is the layer through which roots cannot penetrate. Penetrate means go into, cannot penetrate means कि उसमें नहीं जा सकते, as it consists of fragments. Fragments means small parts broken off। जो bedrock के small parts होते हैं ना वो broken off होते हैं वहाँ पे, इसलिए वहाँ तक roots penetrate नहीं हो सकती। Broken down from the bedrock, this layer lacks humus and is infertile। इसमें humus भी नहीं होता और ये infertile होती है, इस वजह से भी जो रूट्स है वो यहाँ तक नहीं आ सकती। The rain water gets collected in this layer in the form of ground water। जो रेन वाटर होता है वो इस लेयर में कलेक्ट हो जाता है जिसे हम कहते हैं ग्राउंड वाटर। See, this is the sea horizon। See, ये यहाँ पर ये बेडरॉक के फ्रैगमेंट्स हैं और देखो रूट्स यहाँ तक नहीं आ पा रही। Now bedrock। Now bedrock. Below it is the hard rocky base of unwithered rocks। Unwithered rocks means not showing effects of exposure to the weather, which slowly undergoes withering। Withering means breaking down हो जाते हैं जो slowly और वो बन जाता है sea horizon। Water cannot penetrate through this layer। Water इस लेयर में नहीं आ सकता। This layer is also called the bedrock। इस लेयर को कहते हैं bedrock। So thank you for watching my video and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.